So hi everyone and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So sorry for that, we have some technical problems. I don't know what happened, but stream basically didn't work properly, so I just have to restream it. So share with others, okay? So I just didn't post the new link everywhere, so let me just post it in Telegram just to warn everyone that we are having a new stream link, so they will be able to join it as well. Okay, so a couple of minutes. Okay, so been trying to post the link, the new streaming link, to every group that I have, so sorry for that again. So how is everyone? How was your trading week, let's say like that? Okay, so during the time, feel free to use the live chat. I've been watching both of the chats on TradingView and YouTube as well. So if you have any questions, just feel free to share there with us. If you're totally new to my channel, first time there on the streaming, we are here to help you and support you with your understanding of market behavior. Okay, so those who are first time there, we are trading based on wave analysis. This is not exactly wave analysis. We did a little bit upgraded version of wave analysis, but it will help you if you at least read the basic of Elliott wave. Okay, so everyone can just simply go to the Google, use the Elliott wave theory book. It's just a small book. It will help you understand basics. Okay, but for the rest, watch the webinars. Feel free to watch the previous weekly market outlooks. Everything is recorded. Come to every live webinar. We're having the live sessions with you every Sunday, and you can ask whatever you want. Okay, and if you want to join our team, you have a lot of benefits. You will get more educational stuff, you'll get the rules, you will be trading with us. Currently right now, what we are doing is we are trading together in the community. This is new. Okay, we are taking trades together, and as I can see, that gives a really huge benefits and improvements to every trader that wants. Okay, so everyone is able to trade with us. We are taking trades together, we're closing them, so people get more feeling how they should behave in the real market conditions. Everyone is able to share the setup. We take it together. First we talk about the setup, then we all take that setup to see how market is working and how we can basically exit the trade with no stress, with not having a stop loss, let's say like that. Okay, so and of course people are doing a massive progress. Okay, and this is my big, let's say, goal for this year. I want to make everyone profitable and stable with their profits, and I want to give everyone the feeling of real experience of the real market, let's say like that, so they will feel how it feels, or when they have to close the trade, when they have to take the profit, when they have to take a break-even trade, which setup is good. And what we saw now in this last 14 days of doing this with my traders, we are taking deep look about their mistakes. Okay, we watch the mistakes closely, we see how we can improve them, because as you know, everyone is not doing the same mistakes, but it's really good for all the community. Everyone can learn from these mistakes, because mistakes are there to upgrade us. Okay, you should not be sorry about your mistake, you should not be shy about your mistakes, because mistakes are there to upgrade you, to give you the experience for the next level. So only the way like that you will be capable to generate more profits, become better trader tomorrow or in the future. Okay, so be happy about your mistakes, just watch them closely, and as we can see now, it's doing really good. Okay, so let's go now through the setups what I have been sharing there. I wasn't that much active over there with sharing the ideas, okay? So it's really better that you watch my weekly market outlooks. There's as well the daily webinar, okay? So I went live during previous week, okay? So where it was here, okay? We went live with the daily webinar because I really want to show you how market behaves, how the pattern develops. We watch that closely, especially on DXY, okay? So if you have time and if you really want to learn and get some bonus from those webinars, watch the daily webinar since the previous week and watch the weekly market outlook, okay? So this is really beneficial. You get that knowledge, you understand what we are doing, how pattern behaves, and if it behaves so, okay? Of course you have to see the knowledge if it works, so you have to back test it, okay? So once again, I will of course mention the same behavior there. So what we did previous Sunday, we've been talking, chart was somewhere there, I think so, okay? So I think we were somewhere there, and what we were anticipating is going high, not breaking above that high, and continuously pushing higher, because we saw that there is something inside of the correction, okay? So basically what it's happening, it's getting complicated. We have the correction in the correction, and there is where people are getting confused when they lose their patience or they lost themselves, okay? They lost themselves because as you can see how this was pushing higher, we know that ain't gonna push higher. The momentum wasn't enough strong to break out of this structure over there, and it just went breaking the previous top. If you watch closely, okay, went up, break the top, went lower, okay? So that just gives us the pattern inside of the correction. Then one more wave lower, so that gives us a one huge correction, complicated on the daily, let's say like that. And now what the price will do, it will correct over there, and of course it will start pushing higher. Can go for more sideways, of course, okay? This can get even more complicated than we thought, okay? So this could stay there, went up, tag by the previous top, going lower, tag the previous low, went up higher, tag again, going down, tag again, and then they will go, okay? This is possible and it could happen. What is your knowledge? You have to understand it, okay? You have to see and watch these kind of the behavior, so they're at the tops and at the bottoms. There's no any support and resistance. You have to just understand how they behave around the top and what are the benefits, or how you can recognize this on time and take trades based on that, okay? So we will be able to take a sell over there, taking the trades over there and just trading it back at the previous top. Once it breaks, you take a profit. So any buy that you have taken over there within this range already, of course there are a lot of trades already running, and you have to be cautious by the previous top. If it stops, starts to struggle, gives us the signs of reversal, take off all your profits, and then you may start searching for the trades or trading setups for the sell, okay? So this is the knowledge which you have to get, so you will be capable of trading those ups and downs. Once this will go, then definitely everyone should get the trade and get the opportunity. So how far the dollar will go, we are expecting it breaking this top, okay? That seems like a nice contracting flat over there. Let me zoom out so for better understanding. What we're having there is this, we're going high and then we will go down, of course, okay? Now we are just having a big huge correction over there like we had over there. So similar behavior, went up higher, break this top at least, and they will probably push a little bit higher before next drop over there on the dollar will happen, okay? So we are here, we are watching that behavior every day. Of course this can get more complicated and this can go in the deeper correction, and of course we will be buying and selling over there within this range, okay? Of course you have to do it. If you want to make money, you have to get that knowledge, you have to understand it, so you will be able to trade there those ups and down, okay? Because you cannot do nothing with the information of knowing that dollar will go higher, okay? So what the fuck, okay? What can I do with this information? Nobody cannot do anything with this kind of information, or you will make a really minimum amount of money. Okay, you cannot make a lot of money only by that information. You have to understand the lower time frame corrections, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. Okay, so those are the time frames where you have to find the opportunity. So your risk to reward will reduce. So that means you will make more money. Because trading on daily, trading on weekly, that's not making sense. Okay, you will end up having a lot of troubles. You even don't have that big capital to stick to those higher time frames, or let's say not stick to trade higher time frames like that. Okay, you don't have that money to stick to higher time frames. You have to go to the lower time frame, find opportunity there, find proper risk to reward setup, take it. Okay, there's where you will make money. Sticking by the higher time frame, that ain't gonna work, my friend. Okay, so what we will be doing in the upcoming week on the DXY is we will watch there on the 1 hour how that behaves, but I think this will go struggling, push a little bit lower and then going higher. Then we'll take a buy, of course. We are already taking the setups with dollar rising. We are selling the Euro USD. I will show you the setup. We are selling it already. We have a couple of trades running basically. We took them together with our traders. Like I said, we take trades together. We are having basically the same entry points, same setups, same stop losses, and we are doing that together. Okay, they need to have that experience, otherwise that ain't gonna work. You have to trade, my friend, to grab that experience, to get that knowledge. By just watching setups, you ain't gonna make any money. Money will pass away from you. So let's watch for the correction over there and take the buy opportunities over there to at least tag the previous top. Okay, this will be the minimum what you have to aim for. USD CAT will probably go for the correction. Okay, this is not all the correction. I think that this will struggle up, down, give us some running flat, then going higher. Okay, so this is what we see over there. Okay, if you go to the profile, you'll see that I have posted exactly the USD CAT was posted over there, right? Yeah. And here's the example. Only by watching the analysis and trading based on this analysis, you ain't gonna make money. Okay, that's not gonna work. You have to find the setup on lower time frame. Lower you will go, the better risk to reward ratio you will have, the more money you will make, the lower you will go. Okay, but of course you have to stick to this direction. Can this setup as well break down? Yes, of course it can. Okay, this could easily extend itself, go by the previous low and then going higher. That possibility as well exists. Okay, but we ain't gonna take the opportunity probably for the sell. Or if we will get the nice sell stop, yes, of course we will take it. Okay, so why not? If we have the setup, we can take it. We are not afraid of taking the trades. We will, in worst case scenario, we will at least exit with a break-even trade. Okay, that will be the worst case scenario. Otherwise, the good scenario will be the profit. So watch for buy setups. Yeah, right. 1 hour here. You will watch for the buy setup. Come on, sorry for that. Okay, let it go down. Not breaking this low. I'm not anticipating tagging that low. Probably stop somewhere by this low. These lows are there and then start pushing higher. Okay, so and then in this wave you will have to find the setup. This information doesn't tell you anything. Okay, this is just pure analysis, and understanding the analysis will not give you any profitability. You need a strategy how you will get into the trade, how you will exit it, where you put your stop loss, what you will do if this will not go like we planned, and so on. Okay, so if you want, so send me the DM, go to the website, you can join us. We will guide you through those steps. We will give you the rules, how to exit, where to exit, and of course you will be trading with us. Okay, constantly communicating with us, taking the same trades and getting the same experience as we are getting right now. So USD Chief, what we are having or what we are anticipating currently over there is, I think that this will be just correctingly going higher. Okay, for now it's still, for me this is the corrective movement over there. Okay, so this is kind of corrective movement. It could just go up, but anytime soon that has to break down. Okay, that has to break down and go at least tagging this low. Why? What was the reason? Look at that one. If you watch the daily, where we are. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating over there. It's we have an impulse and now we are having the correction, and we are now in the huge correction. So what I'm anticipating, at least this wave, but I'm anticipating more. This is the minimum what we are anticipating. This to keep on pushing lower, tagging that low, and then from there go back at the top. So that's gonna give us the sideways movement, and this is the knowledge. You have to take every wave. Okay, you have to be able to read every wave and trade it. Okay, trade it. Why not? If you know where it is going, if you read patterns correctly, if you, let's say, put them together like a puzzle, you can make money, nice money over there. So watch this one going higher and then pushing lower. Okay, this will be the first trade, and of course we are anticipating more strength over there to break out of this structure, this 4 hour, let's say, daily structure, and this will be our target, previous low. So USD Mexican, nothing new over there. What we are anticipating is this could end up like this, one more low, and then it will go higher. Okay, so what it will do exactly, let me give a daily. Oh, it will go lower. Okay, that's not the end of the pattern. That's gonna go deeper. That's gonna go deeper, but anytime soon you need a 4 hour correction at least before this will continuously pushing lower. Is it completed the pattern on higher time frame? Yes, I think so. So this will go at least breaking this low over there. So sell stop, it's what you will be aiming over there. Watch sell stops. Anticipate one more pullback, sharp pullback on 1 hour. It's what you can anticipate, something like this, going higher and then going lower. Okay, so wait for this correction, then take a trade to the downside. South African rand, so what we are having over there, more downside is coming. Here's the running flat already, which has been completed. Can this go higher? Of course. This can change during the week or once the market will open, can correct, going higher, give a new high, transform into the expanded flat, and then continuously pushing lower. But if this so, we'll find the trade over there, we'll take a buy, we'll take a profit, we'll go for the sell, we'll take a sell. Okay, this is what you should do. Take the opportunity which market is giving you, and of course taking profit constantly, it's the key. AUSD will continuously pushing higher. I don't see any reversal right now. Okay, so I don't see that the price, especially AUSD, sorry, will go lower. Okay, I don't see this kind of behavior over there. So if you watch the 4 hour correction, what it's doing, it will probably stay a little bit more. This is the correction on lower time frame, and we are pushing lower. We will see the tag of that low, and then you have to prepare yourself. You have to find the buy setup on lower time frame. Okay, trust me, you have to take it. That's gonna be a nice wave. If you watch the weekly, look at that one. That's a nice opportunity. What we can have, another wave higher. Okay, another wave higher, and just tagging the previous stop will give you a nice money. So let's have a see how many pips are there. Yeah, 500 pips back at the previous stop. Okay, this is what you have to catch. That's the way of trading. 500 pips is enough of profit. I think you can nicely grow your account by just 500 pips, right? So let's go, let's move forward. Oh, sorry, again. Okay, that should work. Aussie Chief, what we are having over there. Oh, let's move lower. The weekly ain't gonna help us. So Aussie Chief, same kind of the behavior. So let the market do whatever it wants to do. Probably it will spend some sideways move over there before next push to the upside. Something like we had over there. Okay, so this to appear over there before next extension will appear to the upside. Okay, so definitely can I take the opportunity of this? Yes. Okay, this will be the minimum what we have to catch. Okay, we will definitely watch that closely. Okay, we'll put that on our watch list. We'll watch it all the way to the lower time frames. 1 hour, it's not showing currently any buy setup. Okay, no buy setup is there. This could still go low. Will that change the setup? Not at all. Can we take a sell? Yes, why not? Okay, if this will not move according to our plan, we will exit it. Okay, you will exit. And then what you'll do, you'll prepare yourself for the buy. So basically what we are doing, we are trading both of the direction. Okay, so you should do the same. Let it do whatever it wants to do. If it corrects, take a buy back at the previous stop. This will be the minimum what you have to catch. Okay, the minimum catch is this previous stop. Also in New Zealand, this thing will get more complicated than we thought. Okay, so first this is going up correctly. I don't think this is all the correction and we are going higher. I think we are having something like this. First move, second move, the structure, third move, breaking the low, something like this. Okay, so pattern flat probably will appear over there, flat can appear as well over there, and then going higher. That's what we are anticipating. And of course we will be trading this down, we will be trading this up definitely. Okay, but what you can miss the downside, but you should not miss the upside. Upside it's full of money, let's say like that. It's a lot of profit there going on, but downside of course is having the same profits, but not for the long term. That's more daily trades, let's say like that. Okay, so daily trading will be down there to the previous low. Do we have anything on 1 hour? No, not yet. Not yet. Price is showing that it could easily go tag the previous top, even go higher. Okay, that could even push through the top. Okay, push through the top, correct back, and then going higher. Okay, pattern will slightly change. You see, there's a difference. We will know if we break this top what the price will do, how we have to manage it. We will take the sell, absolutely. Okay, we will take that sell, absolutely, but we will 100% not miss that buy. Okay, Aussie cat, it's struggling over there. Okay, so this kind of the structure is getting complicated as we see. Okay, so we are having, as we have on DXY there, the pattern in the middle as it looks like. Okay, so let me move on 1 hour. Okay, we went lower and now we are moving sideways. I see there the pattern in the middle. Now we see the correction and these to go lower, breaking those tops. Here's one more thing. If this correction tag the top, then I ain't gonna anticipate the sell anymore. Okay, sell will not appear anymore, because just simply making the correction over there, you have to take opportunity for the buy. Buy is gonna go breaking this top at least, and somehow we have to see this, this the low of the structure, and this as be all the correction, let's say like that. Okay, this is how the patterns can change. So New Zealand Chief, more downside that's over there. Okay, I don't see upside currently. I see there they're running flat and then more upside, one more low at least before any changing. 1 hour, what we have currently over there, nothing special. This could just give us the flag over there and then going higher, tagging somewhere there, breaking those tops, tagging the trend line a little bit above maybe. That trend line is just there for nothing special. Let's say we can delete it, it's not reliable. That trend line was there only for my traders, for the education to show them. Okay, so you can take a buy over there if you get the setup, but definitely sell is what you should take. Running flat will appear over there. Can this wave as well go higher? Yes, it can. Okay, but then definitely we need the setup. We need a confirmation before that appears over there. I don't see currently this move. Okay, but during the week, if we get any chance, we will take it. Of course, why not? At least we will close it with a break even. New Zealand USD, that's gonna go higher as well. I see there the running flat. Now one more correction is appearing, going higher. Give us the running flat over there and this less push to the upside. Okay, maybe, okay, breaking the trend line. That doesn't mean we will buy over there. Okay, that will be the stupidest idea. Okay, we will somewhere take our profits. Definitely will watch for the buy over there. Okay, buy is what you have to aim for. I don't see currently the sell stop. If you take it, put it on break even. If you're holding it, as you can see now we are struggling. Okay, we are correcting. Okay, there it could be correction, going lower, break those lows and then turn for the upside. You have to take the buy. Okay, buy is gonna be the wonderful. Follow the flags, follow the corrections for buy. We will go a little bit out of the structure, so make sure you catch it. Okay, track it during the week. So let's move forward. This New Zealand cat is getting complicated. Okay, really complicated stuff. There are two options how that could develop. This going lower, higher, give us the flat, going lower, and then going higher. Okay, that's the one option. Another option, breaking lower, going higher, breaking lower, and then they will go. Okay, this will be much more complicated structure than you thought. Okay, and don't get lost over there. Don't think that this will go totally reverse to downside. I don't see total reverse to downside, at least not yet. Okay, it's struggling over there, not showing any reversal signs. So I see there the breakout of this daily structure. This will be all of the correction as it looks. 1, 2, 3. We are going out of the structure. Now you have to understand and read that correctly. Okay, how this is developing, how it's appearing, let's say like that, and then you have to take the opportunity of that buy. You will be there in this trade on time. Okay, so if you saw that on time, you took a sell. How far? Just to break the low. You take your profit, you went for the buy. It's not moving, break even. What it's doing right now, have a look. If you get any chance, if you get any buy, take a buy. How far? Break the top, going lower. You can take a sell, take a profit once it break lower, and then you are finally getting into the buy, which you will hold because it will go for a bigger movement. Okay, you see, that's how patterns develops. This is how you should think in the real market conditions. You have to take every trade that you get. Okay, of course you need the confirmation. You cannot just enter based on the analysis, then you will get yourself in trouble if you do like that. Okay, so it's really easy when I draw the structures. We saw that in our team when I'm working with the traders. When I draw, everything seems so crystal clear, everything is so easy. But when you take everything away from the chart, or let's say when you delete everything from the chart, then things get complicated and you can easily lost on the chart. So that's when you need the experience. Okay, so work on that. Don't be afraid of taking the trades. Find a strategy, backtest it. If you're doing that alone, it's gonna take up a little bit longer. Your USD. Okay, here's the trade that we took. Okay, it's as well posted over there on the profile. Let me just refresh it. Come on. Your USD, it's over there. Okay, sideways going down. Lower time frame. There was the sell setup. There was this. Oh, sorry. It was even there some sell stops. We took both of them. We are having 2 trades running on already. Okay, they are both in the profit, and now we'll watch more. Okay, we are anticipating more downside over there, definitely tagging the low. Okay, this is what we are waiting for. So tagging that low, it's our first target. Can it stop by the trend line, go for one more high? Yes, of course it can. Okay, then what we will do, we'll take all those trades that we took over there on this way to downside on break even, and then we'll go for the buy probably. We'll see. Okay, if we get the setup, we'll take a buy. If not, then we'll end up with break-even trades. We'll wait for this move to complete and we'll go for the downside. We are trading quite a lot. Yeah, we are trading quite a lot. I think we already took 60 trades. Okay, I think 55, 60 trades, something like that. It's what we took already, so there are a lot of trades. We are really active every day, from the morning to the evening. There is no pause at all. So your cat, what we are having over there, more downside. Okay, so how this is going to develop, it's crack there, going lower, break those tops, going high, not breaking any of those tops, and then going for another leg lower. Okay, so this is how structures are getting complicated. Okay, so as well, that analysis has been posted over there. What is it doing? Correct, come on, it's correcting over there, going lower, give us something like this, going higher. Okay, we'll take this off to not confuse you. Okay, so now it's much more clear picture. Wait for the sell, take a sell. Okay, of course you have to see this 1 hour flag. Okay, watch this 1 hour flag and take the sell. That's gonna go at least breaking the previous low. There's where you will take all your profits. Prepare yourself for buy. You will go for all the buy setups. Okay, not breaking this top, and then another sell is what you will have to do. Okay, so don't even imagine take a sell there and hold it for 2 months. That's the stupidest idea ever. You ain't gonna make that money over there by doing this. Okay, You don't have time for the you don't have money for investing. You need a really huge capitals, more than million. So you're Aussie, what is doing? This will get really complicated as we've been watching it. Okay, so I don't think this is all the correction and we are going to the downside. Okay, so this will get more complicated. Okay, so there one possibility exists that this could be expanded flat and we will go upside, breaking lower, up, and then finally down. This will give us the running flat in the future, and then as well breaking lower and then going up and then lower. Okay, so this is how things can get complicated, but right now what we can anticipate for the upcoming week, let's take this off. Can this be all and just go? Yes, possible. Drop, up, drop. Okay, this is what you have to keep an eye. What we have on 1 hour, not so strong momentum at all, so this could still be the expanded flat for more upside. Okay, so no setup currently on the market for this movement. Okay, this move is not yet supported. The other option which could appear as well over there, it's this to be one huge flat over there, going back to the previous top and then start breaking. Can it stop at the previous low? Of course, yes it can. It will go back at the top, give us the bigger correction, and then they will go. Okay, so we can get more complicated structure than we thought. You have to track that, how it develops, go for the trade, go for the buy, go for the sell, go for the buy, go for the sell. Okay, only the way like that you will be able to generate profits. Take the opportunity, because no one knows. Okay, if this goes up like this high, you have to take the sales from somewhere there, because nobody knows. Will this move break down? I have no idea, and nobody doesn't know. Okay, but if you're in the trade and once you see that we're strong there, congratulations, you have a nice trade which is running. Okay, but missing this opportunity and getting into the trade over there, that's the bad behavior. Okay, you are late and you have no options to manage your trade, to put it on break even, and it could easily just reverse, stop you out. Even your risk reward ratio is really bad, so don't do stuff like that. Okay, get in from the higher places. Here in New Zealand, this one will go as well for much more, let's say much bigger correction. Let's see for our structure what is it trying to do. Okay, I see this one struggling over there and then going higher, breaking this top and then going lower. Can I take the buy? Yes, definitely. We will keep an eye there. You should do that as well. Watch for buy opportunities, keep an eye, take the benefit from that buy. It may go for the expanded flat and it will give you a nice profits. Definitely you have to take a sell later on. Okay, so buying it, taking off your profit once this will break the previous high. Your chief, what do we have over there? It's buy again. Okay, buy again. Maybe these two just break the low. Okay, so these go sideways, don't take a sell. I really do not recommend you taking that sell, because you're not experienced well, or if you are, you can take it. Okay, if you're experienced enough, you can take a dead sell. It can just break the bottom and it will reverse to the upside, so you have to be really fast. You need to exit on time and prepare yourself for the buy. I see buying there, it's much better idea, much better, let's say, direction. Okay, this to take a buy over there, more money. Breaking the top will not be your target. It should go higher than breaking that top. Okay, so miss this one, ignore it, watch for buy stops. Watch for buy stops, take the flags for the upside all the way higher. Your GBP is at the bottom currently. Okay, we watch that on the weekly. We are sitting at the bottom over there. We are at the bottom and this should start pushing higher. It doesn't matter what fundamentals are saying. Okay, don't be stuck with fundamentals. Okay, many of traders are sending me the private messages that they are stuck with the fundamentals. They don't know what to do, or what the politicians will do, or what I think about the politicians will do. I have no idea. I really don't read the news. Okay, news will not give me the setup, or will not give me the chance to enter the trade. Okay, you have to understand that. Don't wait for news. Okay, you have to understand the market, because market, it's not moving because of the news, because someone said something. No, that's not true. Okay, you will miss all the opportunities, all your trades will be wasted. So go away from the fundamentals, just you and the chart. It's all what you need, because as I always repeating, if the economy have a bad scenario, bad situation, or bad data, it will reflect on the chart before the news or before the numbers will be released. This is what you have to understand. Okay, so the chart will react or will reflect before numbers will be posted or revealed. Okay, understand it. It's not about the fundamentals. Fundamentals are late. Something will happen and then the numbers will be posted and then politicians will talk about it and so on. Okay, try to grab that knowledge. You have a lot of examples there in this time of the corona. Okay, so if you were watching the politicians, what they were saying was only, I was concerned with the situation, there's a lot of uncertainty and blah blah blah. Okay, so now how should I trade based on that? That's the total stupidity. It's total stupid scenario. If you will watch the news, reading the news, you will be only listening so that they are really concerned, that there are a lot of uncertainty and they are worried about the future, they don't currently know what they will do, and la 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 la, stuff like that. Okay, so don't stick to that, otherwise you will be lost. You will have your brain full of bullshit stuff. Okay, so let's go now. Your GBP, what we are anticipating there is the buy setup. Okay, buy stop is what I'm anticipating, but look at that one. Can I buy now? Of course I cannot buy, it's not ready yet. If I will buy now, congratulations, you will have a nice losing trade. Okay, that depends where is your stop loss. Should you place stop loss over there? No, of course not. You don't have $1 million account, so you will not be able to place your stop over there. Then you will not make any money. If you have a lower account, you will not make any money. But if you have $1 million account, just put 10k over there, easily. Okay. So what should do for the day trading, for daily profits, for a living? Okay, for a living profits, what you have to do is wait for this one, let it correct, take a sell, take this opportunity, take profit away, wait for the buy stop, and then start buying. Okay, as you did there, you should do there for the buy. Can I take the opportunity for sell? Yes, why not? Take a sell, take your profit. Take a sell, take a sell, take a sell, take your profit. Easy. Okay, so repeat the stuff again. That's how you'll generate the profits. But basically, wait for the buy. Buy is what you should wait for, not miss the buy. Euro Polish zloty going down definitely. Will probably struggle over there. One more down, up, up, down, and then going down finally. Okay, this is what you have to understand. Hendrik is saying, well said, news are bullshit. Yes, that's it. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm always keep repeating. You probably know, you've been there. There are a couple of webinars, so you know what I'm saying. The new people have to learn, okay? The people who are trading on news will learn. Okay, if they don't want to open up for possibilities, they will get the experience by reading the news. They will understand it when they blow up some accounts. Or one day will give up. So let's go. Sell stop, of course, on Euro Polish zloty. Euronokian downside. Okay, I don't see that this is the structure for buy. This is not the momentum which will break out. If do so, not yet. Not yet. I don't see this kind of behavior for upside. I'm much more for the sell. Can I take the sell? Of course not. Of course not. There is no sell setup. Market just moving sideways. It's just in the correction, so there's no setup. What you have to do is wait for the sell stop. Let it break, let it correct, take a trade. Okay, don't get in too early. This could still there go up and down, up and down, up and down, and then they will go down. So keep an eye on it. It's for the sell definitely. Watch every sell on lower time frame and take the opportunity of it. Pound yen. Okay, so yen pairs are really interesting. I think they will go higher than they went already, but now there is the question. The big question right now is what the price will do. Will the price be there for the correction? Will it correct itself, or will go in deeper correction? Okay, so we have to read that on time. Okay, SPY, please. Yes, we will do that. Just stick with us, bear with us. We have to pass those Forex pairs, and then we'll switch to the crypto, to of course indices, indexes, and formats. So let's go. Sideways, it can go lower, it can go higher. Yes, of course. Can I take a buy over there? Let it struggle there a little bit more. Then yes, take a buy back at the previous top. Then going lower, it could still be the correction for more upside. Okay, so this is how the pound yen can develop during the next few weeks. Of course, you have to take the opportunity to take a buy over there. Okay, so can go lower as well. Yes. Okay, but I will just wait there a little bit more, take a buy. If it is not going, take it off. It could still go lower from there. There is another option that we are having. It could go down from there, breaking those lows, and then go higher. Okay, this will need a skill. Get out on time. Okay, don't hold the trade and pray to go your direction. Okay, market cannot hear you. So hi everyone on TradingView. I can see that people are now coming. Hi and welcome. GFY. Yeah, we will do it. We will do so. Those who are all for crypto over there, stay there for 10-15 minutes. Then we will come to crypto and we will watch it. We'll have a nice discussion about the crypto. There are already a couple of opportunities that are gone. Okay, but yeah, of course, more will come. I see the crypto going higher. So yeah, pound yen struggle high. CAD yen, let's go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. So CAD yen, what is it doing? What is it trying to do right now? I think the yen pairs are in this kind of the correction, and they are trying to go for the flat correction. What you have to do, take a buy opportunity. Okay, this going higher, take the buy opportunity. Can I get in there? No, definitely there's not a buy setup. 4 hour, what we're having there on the Aussie yen, tagging the previous top, going higher. Watch this, probably sideways a little bit more, back at the previous top, take the opportunity for the buy. You will never know if this is all the correction. Will have a wonderful trade. All the yen pairs are kind of similar. Euro yen, same there, can go back top, yes, tagging the trend line, one more low, breaking this low, and then going higher. Yes, that exists, so you will have to be able to recognize it on time. Can I take a buy over there? Yes, you have to. No, if you can, you have to take the buy and see how far that goes. If it stops giving you the signs, get out, go for the sell if you are able, if you're capable. Take profit of the sell once it breaks the low, get in for the buy and enjoy your profit for the long term. New Zealand yen, kinda mixed, let's say like that. Okay, so oops, this could be all the structure, all the correction we have. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This could be all the correction, and we are going back at the top as well there, flat and then higher. All the yen pairs are showing me the same kind of the behavior. This one is a little bit different. If it tags the top, then definitely we'll be buying it. Okay, going higher, tag the top, going lower, tagging the low, then buy. Long-term buy will come over there. So yen can lose its strength across the market. What are the fundamentals saying about that? I have no idea. Haven't read any news since really long now. So use the yen. What do we have over there? Let it correct over there, then definitely going for the buy. Can go lower. Yes, it can, but there are no any signs of sell setup. There's no sell setup over there currently. If this stays sideways, yes, that will be the sell stop. You can take it, break the low, going back at the top again. So keep an eye there. Pound USD going higher. Okay, so I don't see any sell stop. That's much more for the buy right now. Okay, so I see this one going higher, breaking this top at least. So take a buy if you get the chance. If you get the setup, take a buy. Breaking the top, go for the sell. Easy. Pound chief going lower. Now the question is how long this will stay there. Okay, keep an eye, take a sell, how far it will go, back breaking those lows and even lower. Okay, I'm really seeing this one tagging the 10 line. deeper correction, okay, something like this before next wave to the upside. Pound Aussie, oh excuse me, I'm on daily. Pound Aussie can get complicated. This going lower like this, yes, and then going higher, and then going lower, then going higher, and then they will go lower. Okay, so it could stay for the sideways for next couple of weeks, let's say like that. Okay, so but we will track that. We will take every sell. We'll take this sell because you'll never know if it breaks lower. Congratulations, we will have a nice trade. And then of course this sell, we will definitely take it. You will never know which one of them will break down. Okay, they are currently not sell stops. I really do not recommend you trading their up and downs, only the sells, because you can be stuck over there. Okay, this structure can get complicated and bigger. So try to avoid, let's say, daily trading over there. Only take a sell opportunities. Pound New Zealand, same there. Up and down, up and then down. So bigger correction for our correction and then going lower. Okay. Pound Cat, I will not going for the higher time frame corrections, so do not confuse you. So Pound Cat, this is going higher, tag the top, going lower, tag the low, going higher and then low. Okay, so all pounds are having this kind of complicated structure. Only the Pound USD is showing me the buy. Okay, or even he can get complicated. Okay, so this one can get complicated, up and then down. Okay, so he can get complicated as well. But like I said, if you take a buy, if you will be stuck over there, get out with the break-even trade. Don't pray for the chart to move your direction. Cat Chief, nothing strange over there. Skip it. Okay, it's not for you. Skip it. It's not going anywhere. Chief Nokian, you can take a buy opportunity. Let it go down, let it go up, let it go down, giving you the flag, whatever, what kind of correction, and then take a buy. It can go easily break out the structure. Something like this, something like this. Okay, wait for it there. Even something like this can appear, going lower, going higher, going lower, going higher. Okay, keep an eye, track it properly. Gold, what the gold is doing, it's going lower. Since pre-weekly market outlook, we've been discussing about this one. Now we are correcting. Can it go lower? Yes, it can. So wait more, wait for sell stop, take a sell back at the previous low. It will be the minimum what you get. It can go even lower. Silver can go higher, giving you the bigger structure, and then more downside. This will give you the complicated structure, and then it can go higher. But definitely staying there for a while. It's quite possible. Sugar going higher, tag the top, going lower, tag the low, and then going higher, still in the flat. Oil going lower, back at this low. This is what I see. So we will have a flat over there before next wave to the downside and then up. Okay, it can get complicated. Keep an eye there, watch it how it develops, and take a buy opportunity. UK oil, same there. Let it go lower, tag the low, let it go high, tag the high, let it go lower, and then going higher. This to become one big huge structure for more upside. Okay, so keep an eye on it, how it develops. Natural gas getting complicated. This is going lower and then going higher. Okay, it will still go higher. Let me just take off everything. So this to go lower, deeper correction, let's say. Deeper correction and then going higher, tag the top, it could still go down, tag the low, and then finally to the upside. Can even go higher from this point? Yes. As it stands right now, it can go like this, breaking out totally, and then going lower and then going higher. That's all possibilities that exist, and you have to keep them in mind. Nasdaq 100 going higher. If you took a buy over there, wonderful, take off your profit. I don't see there the huge buy. Okay, if this gives me the flat, any kind of correction, then I will be buying. I will not be simply buying those small corrections. Can they go deeper? Yes, can. You can buy back at the top, even higher, and then I will buy. Okay, I need a bigger correction before I will be a buyer over there on all the indices. SP 500 as well, not on the good point, let's say like that. Okay, they are struggling over there. Up, down, up. Tag the top, then they go down. Okay, so keep in mind how that correction develops over there. US 30 as well, same. This could be the running flat, more downside. What you should do, what is your job? Wait for sell stop. Wait for any kind of confirmation before taking the sell over there. Okay, you see, This is how, oops, sorry, this, you should not just sell based on the analysis. It's not making sense. UK 100 climbing back at the top will probably tag and break the top, and then it will reverse to the downside. So if you're skilled enough, yes, go for this buy. Okay, just buy, just to break the top, and then the price will reverse. But move on break even quickly as you can. Okay, don't let trades be open. If you get in, put in break even, let it go. Tag the top, take off your profit. That's all what you will get. FR4 is same there. Let's see if this struggles there and then back at the top. Can go break lower? Yes, there's no sense top. If it struggles there, giving me any, not this one, like this, take a sell and see if they will tag the previous low. If not, break even, same there. Correction, back at the low. Okay, correction, back at the low. If this so, okay, but I really see all of this is going tagging the previous high. So this one as well going higher, correct there and going higher and going higher and going higher. Tag that top. Okay, you won't be able to open the trade over there. JP225 as well. Okay, so there's not much difference between them. Aussie 200, yes, tagging the top is possible. Correct there, going higher and then drop. Okay, so there's a lot of questions. People are asking, Aussie 200 is the index of the Aussie pairs? No. Okay, that's not the index of the Aussie. Okay, don't compare it. It's not the Aussie index. So this one going higher or going down. So what you should do, let it wait, correction, take a buy. If you drop, correct, take a sell. Easy. Okay, no complicated things. Just be open for all the possibilities. Which direction will go? I have no idea currently. From this spot, as it stands right now, I will take the both opportunity if the market will give me. But it will give me. I truly believe that the market will give or will show me which direction it will move in the future. And I will take the both opportunities. And then of course China, what is trying to do over there? Sideways probably, okay? If this is all the correction, this will correct and go higher, back at the top. If this is not all the correction, we can get bigger, extended correction before the next wave to the upside. Okay? So this is it. We are now on the crypto, so crypto guys or crypto people who are trading on the crypto will say, oh, finally. Yes. We've finally come to crypto. Okay, there's quite popular. So who is there for crypto? Did all crypto guys leave already? Did they run out of patience? You should be there. You should have the patience. Okay, not leaving too early. Okay, you have to be there patiently as you trade patiently. Both. So what we are doing, what are the opportunity for the crypto? Let's comment it first. What I think without analysis, I see that there are a lot of opportunities, especially for the spot traders. They will definitely have to watch it correctly. For those who are there with me since the March, you are learning. That's great. Keep learning. So keep watching the webinars, watch the recordings. I can bet on that you will learn something. If you're interested, you can join us as well. This will speed up your trading process. Okay, so about cryptos, let's go back to the cryptos. Everyone loves crypto. Yes, Henrik. Everyone loves it. So those who are there, I think it was the 8th of March, we've been talking and I was showing you which cryptos to buy. Okay, so which coins are good investments. So if you bought them, if you've been there with me, then you should be smiling right now. Okay, so those coins are up 40%, I think 40-50%. So let me quickly show you what we thought, what we took, what we've been talking about. Okay, so if you were with us over there, exactly over there, you can go back, watch the weekly market outlook, where I was showing you that those charts over there are good long-term investments. Okay, they are good spot trading long-term investments. If you do them, then congratulations, I'm really happy for you. Most of you have been sending me the messages, private message, that you are happy, you've been there, you've been listening to me. Okay, I'm even more happy once I see, guys, that you are learning, you're getting the knowledge of what to trade, where to trade, when to trade, what to buy, what to not buy, what to stay away from, and so on. There are a lot of people as well that they didn't listen to me. They've been buying the dip once we were saying stay away from it. The people have been massively buying the dip. Okay, so, but I really feel sorry for them. They have no knowledge. They are just hyped by the influencers, by the entrepreneurs, by the marketers, by the stupid people who are making money with the marketing and thinking that they know everything. They are marketers. They know about investment. Investing is so easy, and so on. Okay, they think it's not so easy. Trust me, been there for more than 10 years. So my 10 years trading experience, I can say that's not that easy. Been working with many traders, teaching many of traders, and it's not that easy when we come to the live market. So 8th of March, go back, watch the webinar. You will see. You of course have to check me. If you're first time, check me, what I'm saying, if this is true, check the market, and you will see. Okay, so if you're buying, great, you are now up, let's see, 40%. This is the minimum what you are up now on your all investments. I will not go through all of them. I can bet on that they all are up for that much. Okay, so 8th of March, somewhere there, yeah, 40%, and some of them are even more. 8th of March, somewhere there, yeah, mostly approximately 40% up. Okay, yeah, I will not go to all of those. This one even went higher. 8th of March, this one went real 8th of March, yeah, right, somewhere there. This one already went 136%. Okay, so good one. Okay, we'll not go and talk about those who went. Okay, so now we will talk about what you should do. Can I blindly buy? No, definitely you cannot buy until these corrections they're in the making. Okay, so now you have to sit down and watch, track this correction. Okay, these can get complicated, can break up, and you can buy not on first attempt. Okay, you need to see how it develops over there. Okay, only breaking the high doesn't mean you have to buy. Why? Because you will bought. What the market will do, it will go down, break the previous low, what it can do easily. Okay, I'm keep repeating, it can do easily. You will have a drawdown, you will be angry, you will close your positions, and of course market will go up back without you. This is really possible because Bitcoin, it is in the complicated structure. Okay, I don't think the Bitcoin, this is all of the low. Okay, I don't think this is all of the correction. I really don't think. But if this is so, yes, we will keep our positions, of course, and we will let them run. I expect at least 1100% of rise on all of those investments. Of course, we will be adding more, as you should do. You should now watch these corrections over there. Once they will be completed, you have to buy. At least buy above the high ones. They will start pushing aggressively, then you can buy. Okay, same there. Correction, buy. APK, buy. Okay, they all will go because Bitcoin now is. Let me show you two possibilities on Bitcoin. What I see. Can you have a look on THR and TLM, please? Yeah, TLM I have already shown you. CHR we'll watch. Okay, just give me a few minutes to explain the Bitcoin behavior, what is it doing currently, and how it can be develops. Now, first option, to break the previous low, not this one, sorry, this one. Okay, what it could do, it could go up, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down, break the low, and then it will go up. This will just give us one huge correction there in the making, and make sure it will not stock up, be over there. Okay, that's one possibility. Another one, if we say this is all the correction, it can go down, it can go up, it can go down, and this will be all the correction over there, and it will just start pushing higher. So make sure you will not miss the opportunity of this one. So take a buy. If it is not going, take it off, get in back, get out if it is not going. So what you should do, buy there, watch the previous stop. If it is not moving, if you're leverage trader, you have a chance to sell over there for small sell, take a buy again. Okay, you can sell from there, from this top as well. If the chart will be strong, it will go break the low, you have a nice trade over there. If not, stop there, watch for the buy again, of course. Watch for the buy again over there and take the opportunity. How far? I really think that we can go back to 100k. 100k is what we are anticipating, and make sure you will not miss this run over there. Okay, don't miss it, and don't be too early in this trade, let's say like that. Okay, but you have one good benefit. If you have no experience, if you don't know where to get in, and if you, let's say, fucked up a little bit if I say like that, you have a good benefit. If you're a spot trader, you just have to wait then. Okay, it will go higher, it will go higher anytime soon. But if you have a knowledge, let's do develop and buy as slow as possible. That's gonna give you a lot of profit. So this is how I'm anticipating the Bitcoin will do in the future, how it behaves. We'll watch that, track it every day, keep an eye on it, will not miss it. Okay, so those will be the investments, all the investments which I'm showing you. Watch this. Okay, they are doing something like this now. They are something like this. Let them correct over there, go for the buy. All of them. I'm really much sure that all of them are doing the same. Okay, all of them. Look at that one. Ethereum as well. Ethereum as well. Correct. They are going higher and then keep higher, keep higher, keep higher. But it can go as well down. So that's what you have to be cautious a little bit. This could easily be sell setup. Going down, just breaking those lows, even tagging the low, it's as well possible. But this ain't gonna change our big picture. It's still gonna go higher. Okay, we are still in this big running flat there on higher time frame. All cryptos are the same. Okay, all cryptos are the same. Thank you very much, MM. Oh, it's you, Queen Disc. I know that was you. So yeah, what else? Let's have a look now on TLM. With TLM, we've been discussing already, so be aware. Okay, if this starts pushing lower, congratulations. Take off your profit from the buy. Take off all your profits and buy more. Okay, we will be buying more. If you don't know how to buy, if you'll be there on time, we'll watch that with the Sunday webinar. If not, feel free to join us. We will watch and track that together. Okay, you will be able to get in on time, and you will get a lot of experience. So if you want to join our team, if you want to take trades with us, if you want to communicate with us, feel free to go to the website, choose the membership, and I will add you, give you the access to all the community, which is really beneficial. I will give you the access, of course, to our trading room where we are taking trades together. And of course, everything is for the lifetime access. Okay, you will be there with us forever, let's say, if you're serious, of course. And let me mention that once again, if you are the member of any kind of marketing group, if you're doing any kind of marketing with Forex, crypto, whatever, don't dare to join. Okay, please don't join. Close the webinar, leave the webinar. That's not the group for you, because if you will come in our group, I will kick you out from the academy. You will not be the first member who will be kicked out because of this stuff, trying to resell something, being some entrepreneur marketing and whatever. Okay, so I don't want fake people. I only want serious traders who want to achieve something in life, who are serious about trading, who only want to trade and not to scam people, not to lie them. Okay, I really want only serious people. So please don't, just keep it. If you're that kind of the person, this is not the webinar for you, this is not the group for you, and don't even imagine to join. Okay, that's all. And you have to keep in mind this. So let's go. THR, I have to add that one. I don't have this chart. Or no, I have to add it. I don't have it over there, so I'll add it THR. So okay, so probably it's this one. Let me add it. What? CHR USDT. Yeah, that one. It's supposed to be over there. Let me put it over there. So what do we have over there? Yeah, they will as well go higher. So you have to be really cautious now in the next coming week. Okay, in the upcoming week, keep an eye, track this correction. If it corrects, you have to definitely be a buyer. Okay, try to find the buy stop on lower time frame, 15 minutes, 1 hour, depends how skilled you are. Find the buy stop, take the opportunities, it will go. Okay, so keep an eye, let it do whatever it wants to do. I think this is just the one part of the correction. Okay, this is the 1, this is the 2, we're going for the 3. This is how I think will end, and then definitely you have to be a buyer. Okay, and most of the charts are doing the same. If you ask for this one, it looks like this, and I will show now a couple of them who looks the same. Okay, one short, small, mini wave for sell, and then buy should come. Someone called me on the phone, but I think that was, yeah, that's normally. We live in this fake world where everyone wants to just sell something, and we all have to be aware of that. There are a lot of scammers, a lot of people imagining, or they want to scam people, let's say like that. Okay, they see only money, and it's okay. Yeah, I truly believe you that someone was doing that kind of stuff. Okay, pretending that was me. Yeah, really possible. A lot of fakers. It's not the first time, so just be aware of that. Really nice. Send us, use your logo. Yeah, I do believe this. I really do believe. That happened now a few times. So never mind. Let it do whatever he wants to do. Just don't believe him. I will never ever send you the text message or even contact you, but I will answer all your questions, of course, even on the webinar. So I'm answering all the questions, nothing is hidden. I'm answering all your questions. So never mind, forget about those scammers. Let them do their job. Their job is to scam people. We can't stop them, that's for sure. Okay, so just be a little bit cautious who they are, how they are doing, and what they are doing. Okay, they are all selling you the story. So let's move forward. Don't want to talk about the scammers. They are nothing in our lives after all. Okay, they will be there, they will not gone, and it's great. So let's go. Yeah, wait for this one, break the low, watch for the buy stops. The others are doing the same. Okay, so let's talk about FIL. Okay, so this is our entry point where we bought. Okay, this is where we bought the FIL. Okay, and this is how every investment should look like if you have enough knowledge. Okay, if you have enough knowledge, this is how your investment have to look like. You have to buy low and you have to sell high. Okay, it's really easy when someone said that. Okay, I'm keep laughing because I know it's so easy. It's so easy to buy low and buy sell, right? Some of people are buying the low, but they are also buying the high. So that's what I'm laughing. It's really easy. No, but anyway, we know the real master. Yeah, you should know already. Been there now for really a lot of years. There are all my recordings since 2-3 years, 4 years maybe. I have no idea how old my recordings are on YouTube. On YouTube there are older recordings than on TradingView. So if you will watch the channel, you see how far I've been there, doing the same stuff all the time. Nothing has changed. So let's go. Oh shit, this one. Okay, so it can get complicated. That's all what it can do. Going up, going lower, something like this. Going up, break the top, giving you the structure in the middle, going lower, give us the bigger structure, and then going higher. Look at that one. Oh, holy shit, this gets so complicated. So what I should do now? Okay, so you really need us. You really need us to help them understanding the picture like that. Okay, the mostly 90% of the time charts all the charts, not only the crypto, Forex, indices, stocks, all of them are doing that. The lower you will go, the more complicated picture you will get. Okay, that's the point. So you need to understand it. Okay, so what you should do, all of you who are not having enough knowledge, let it break, let it give you the flag and buy over there. Okay, you will avoid having problems. So watch for something like this before you buy. Is this so? Can this give us the buy? Yes, it can give us during the week. It can give us take a buy. If it stops over there, break even, you have to close it. Don't pray, okay? Nobody can hear you, so don't pray for the trade. Let it go lower, then repeat the same stuff again. Buy again. TLM is doing kind of same behavior. Okay, so this one, it can go a little bit lower, giving you the flag over there. You can buy, breaking those tops and keep on pushing higher. This one as well, what it can do, what it's doing currently. This one can go, okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. You can buy, be careful once it tag the top, it can go lower, going down, going tag, low, but break the low and then high. Okay, so that's how it can get complicated. But anyway, watch for the buy flags, take a buy. They can easily go, okay, but this one leg lower, it's quite a possible scenario, okay? Or simply just buy above the high, it will be easier for you. Be aware from the previous stop. If it is not struggling, congratulations, you have a nice trade. I'm anticipating on all the trades kinda good move, okay? Here as well on APIK, okay, APIK, breaking all those tops, so 1000% over there, 1000% of growing is what I'm anticipating. Okay, so any questions, guys? Do we have any questions? Just ask. Don't talk about scammers. They will be there, they will exist. We cannot, let's say, punish them or destroy them. That will be total waste of time. So, what else? Okay, so seems that there are not a lot of questions. This is really good. This is really good, so I'm explaining really into details probably. That's wonderful. So then we will slowly end the webinar over there. Let's wait a couple of minutes. Mattia, how are you? Thanks for sharing knowledge. You are welcome. I really appreciate if you're getting that knowledge, not only you, to everyone, okay? So everyone who is understanding the knowledge which I'm sharing with you, I will be really happy. Really nice. That's it. That's what I want to spread with all of you. Knowledge, understanding, at least basic, so you'll be able to invest some money, okay? Some money, but if you want more, if you want to do something more with trading, if you're serious about the trading, then you should join us. It's much easier to succeed in the group where we help you. Every one of us will help you, guide you, and of course you'll have to be active with us. Nobody can do that for you, okay? Nobody can gain the experience for you. You cannot grab the experience from someone. You have to get them by yourself. You have to feel them, make mistakes, okay? Only the way like that you will learn. And trust me, by the end of the year, you could be really, really good trader. Even the best in our team, who knows? So this is it, everyone. Thank you one for being there. If you want, you can share the webinar with others. I'll be really happy for every like that you did, for every share you did, and all the good comments. All the positive feedbacks are more than welcome. So take care, enjoy your day, and I will still be keep sharing with you all those information every Sunday at the same time. Okay, so take care, subscribe to the channel, you'll be notified when we are live. Take care, enjoy your week, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye everyone.